What is up, guys? Alex here from RCHQ, and I'm bringing you a video on what I'm gonna do tonight to get ready for PNets. And first things first is gonna be doing a fresh rebuild on my PN rear diff. Right now I have a complete bone stock out of the bag PN in this one, just to see how the mesh belt and stuff like that compared to the old spur that's in here being cleaned out. Ew, it's all gross. Anyways, but yeah, I got that, and then I got this other one I gotta rebuild, and then another one in the mod car that's somewhere in there. Sorry for the messy station, as you can tell, another one. Anyways, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the bearings in there. They're pretty old and beat up, so I'm going with the PN Racing carbon ceramic balls, part number 700603. Then I'm going to go ahead and go with a brand new spur, MR2953WC. Then I'm going to go with the new plates, because these get a little worn out and stuff like that, especially how I like running my rear diff. Like they're a little loose compared to others. MR2049T. And then your spacers, I'm sorry, not spacers, ball bearings for your spur gear, MR20468. I don't necessarily really need these because I keep mine I clean them pretty good, I want to say, but that's besides the point. Anyways, you're able to get the whole kit as well, where it like gives you that little star at the bottom, right, that goes right here, and this nut and all that goodies. But this has been working pretty good, so I'm just gonna keep it as is and kind of running how it goes. Of course, shout out to Grant for getting me some extra clips while I was in Cali, because I lost my last one, couldn't find any, and he has some extra ones, so thanks, Grant. Anyway, but PN does carry them, I just don't know the part number. So other than that, yeah, that's what I'll be doing here in a bit. Rebuilding this puppy, getting it ready for PN Nationals here in like a week and a half or so, whatever it is. So it's gonna be my super stock right here, full PN build. Don't judge the wiring because it's ugly. But 2.5 chassis, Anima, ESC, PN front. Obviously it's different colors because I just messed up the other one. I'm not even gonna tell you how. PN rear, rear disc dampener, all green all the way around on the springs, rear diff, rear pod, Anima 3500, all the goodies. Number 5, fiberglass. And that's really it. It's super simple. I run KS all the way around. When it comes to tires, I start them off at 22.6 in front. I run mediums in the rear. And that's really it, all to it right there. I guess I'll be back whenever I start rebuilding this thing. I don't have my stand, so y'all can't really see my build process, but it's not even worth seeing anyways. I'm not that good. But anyways, yeah, there we go. Alright guys, see you on a few. Alright, so I got them out of the PN cleaner. I'm just cleaning it with brake fluid. I'm sorry, not brake fluid, lighter fluid. I don't have anything else in my garage as of right now. So these have a pretty good groove on here. It's like a fingernail groove. Sorry for my nails being so dirty, but I've noticed that my car whines a lot, and if it's whining, that means it's not getting the full potential power. And there's about a fingernail groove in there, super rough, and I don't like that, which is why we're going with the new ones. It's because I just want a peace of mind when it comes to going to PNats and getting it ready. So I'll be testing out this rear diff next Saturday at RCHQ for my last club race before PNats. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that. Spur gear came out pretty clean, but we're gonna go ahead and just replace it. Same thing for the bearing. The bearing's gonna get replaced as well. This bearing looks pretty good. It's not terrible. These are the balls that I had in there. And then there's that. So I'll go ahead and slide this puppy right on here. Just like that. And what I like to do is I just like to find the sweet spot when it comes to lining it up. So if I can move it up and down pretty smooth, and that's what we're gonna go with. That feels pretty good already as it is, so we're just gonna go with that right there. On there. There we go. Goes on there. I'll go ahead and grab one of these plates out of here, cut it open, slap it on there, put my new spur on there. I just use 6 balls all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead and put that on. I'll grab my other disc, and I'm sorry, not my other disc, my new balls, and then go from there. All right, guys, later. And that is it, guys. That's it. I wish I could have showed y'all how I do it, but again, like I said, I'm not very good at rebuilding these. But brand new spur, brand new plates, brand new pairing, brand new balls. Feels good, looks good. You can just tell by the color difference as well how brand new and nice that looks compared to this one. This one I've only got I want to say a couple passes on it. I think I had this on my GLF one. And then here's the one that I originally had on there since I got the car. So some color difference been worn out, I'm sorry. And then this is what I used for grease. Yosho ball diff grease. That is currently what I use. Haven't tried anything else. Haven't really been steered to try anything else, so that's what I've been on. We do carry this at RCHQ. So if you're in San Antonio and need some, come on by. If not, Keen on Hobbies. It's really where I get all my stuff from as well, because that's where RCHQ gets their stuff. So that's that. Other than that, it's really all I got. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it wasn't very informative. It's like midnight. I've had one too many beers, let's just say that. And that's really it. So go ahead and give me a like, follow, subscribe. I don't know. I'll see you at Nats. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Look at that thing over there. Ooh, it's pretty. I might run that at Nats, but I don't know. It kind of goes with my other color scheme I have for mod and super stock. I'm sorry, mod and pan. But anyways, yeah. Thanks, guys. See y'all later.